How to update my drivers in Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. So first of all, you need to go to your device manager to update your drivers. So for that, click on the search button and type in device manager. Once you open the application, you will see the list of apps as well as its driver if you click on the drop down menu. To update any driver, just right click on it and you will see a list of options. Now you have to type in update drivers and then click on the first option, which is search automatically. Or what you can also do is search for the particular app and the driver that you want to update, right click on it, and then you can either search automatically for the update or you can browse it on your device as well. To browse it on the device, click on update and click the second option and then click on the browse button. Select the file that you want to update to and then click on next. The other way what you can select is the search automatically button and then Windows Update. If you tap on it, you can open the Windows Update directly, tap on check for updates, and this way also you can update your drivers. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.